Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert text on picture in Microsoft Word. If you see here, I have this picture where I want to add the text. So if you see closely, I'm not able to move the picture around. So firstly we need to make this picture movable. So for that, just hit right click on the picture, go to wrap text option and just select behind text. And now if I try to move it, you can see the picture is movable. So once you do this, it's time to add the text on the picture. So for that, just go to insert, select text box option and just select here draw text box and just draw the text box where you want to add the text. So I want to add text right here, so I'll just draw the box like that. Now it's time to write. I'll type here sunset. Now if you see here, there is a box behind my text which I don't like, and for that I can just go to shape fill. And if you want to keep the box, you can do that as well. Like you can change the box color and just make it as you like. I don't want the box, so I'll just select no fill. And also I don't want this black outline around my text, so I'll just go to shape outline and just select it on no outline. Now I want to make my text bigger, so I'll just make the size something around 48. Then I want to make it bold, so I'll just select bold and make underline under the text. Now guys, we have added the text on picture. Now if I try to move the picture, you can see the text is not moving. And if you want to make them combine, in that case we need to hold shift and select the text as well. And once both of these are selected, hit right click, go to group and choose group here. And now if I try to move the picture, you can see the text is also moving. And that's how you can add text on your picture and make them combine. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.